Our car is leaking oil. Not good.
I respect the hustle, but not scam.
Ahoy darlings and gentlemen. This video wasn't planned, but it's too upsetting to let it go. As you know from the title, it will be about cars. Now, I only have basic knowledge about cars and would love to know if someone was going to scam me. Ladies and gentlemen, let's grab those hard-earned cash and shove it back into your wallet, because they won't be flying away today. I tried to do a vlog about it, but after reviewing it, I don't think I can publish it.
What the fuck? What the fuck? What the fuck? What the fuck?
I want this video to be informative, civilized, with a hint of emotion. Basically, a few days ago we found out that our car is leaking oil. Now, it could be one of two things. It's either engine oil or transmission oil. Either way, not good. After a brief check, when you open the lid and pretend to know what you're looking at least in my case, the engine seemed fine. No traces of oil explosion. So my husband went to his acquaintance, who is a car mechanic, and he told him that it's the automatic transmission unit leaking oil. Well, this is when BestDrive comes on stage. BestDrive is pretty much the only big car repair company that is near where I live.
My camera died. It will be quite shaky. I'm sorry for that. They even have banners advertising, "We will change your automatic transmission oil fast, 5 hours, and cheap."
Bruh.
So my man went there and asked for price offer. We knew that it will be expensive. What we didn't know, that they will do us that dirty. This is the price offer that we got, 20 liters. Remember that. We will get to that later. As you can see, unfortunately, my man unleashed his incredible haul before I could finish this video. At least it's emotionally accurate. What pisses me off, when experts treat other people like dummies and prey on them. Uncle Google, show them.
Hello Demon Puss, I found you 3 options. Which one do you like?
What about all of them? All of them are more or less cheaper by half for the same thing. So we call them. What if we supply our own parts and pay you just for the work?
Okay, no problem, but the price will be higher, 9,000 per hour.
Thank you, I will let you know if we are still interested. Let's review what happened. If we would let them order the parts, work would be 700 per hour. But if we supply our own parts, the work would be 900 per hour.
Scusi?
They were bold enough to increase price, which should be fixed.
Once upon a time, Mr. You dreamed about building a cozy house when Bendik popped up from nowhere.
I can make your dream come true for 600k, 500k for wood and 100k for work.
Wow. That's too expensive. But I can supply my own wood and you do the work. I have 100k in savings.
Wrong. Then that will be 130k.
Your math sucks. F you.
Turned out that he was full of
That's not all. We spoke with a couple of other car mechanics, you know, getting second opinion. And one of them almost yelled at my man.
Why would you need 20 liters of oil? But for a truck, you only need 8, including the fly. I have everything. It will cost you 8,050, 1 hour work time.
I respect the hustle, but not scam. We did some research, and automatic transmission unit maintenance can cost you 5k up to 15k. Is it a coincidence? I don't think so. However, after all this, they still had the audacity to call my father-in-law and yell at him, asking, "Where is the car?" When we called them that we will let them know if we are still interested.
BestDrive away.
Thank you for watching. I wanted to end this video lightheartedly. Lightheartedly, because in the end what won't kill you will make you only stronger. I would love this video to be a warning for those who want to spend their hard-earned money wisely. And please let me know in the comments if you had similar experience or you know about other scamming methods, so we can help each other. Thank you again so much for watching and see ya later.
Acting like you know me, that's the worst shit. I know in my soul, like this fucking cold.